Hello everybody, welcome to 2026 nail trends to watch out for. And I have done a lot of research, I have made a whole list, and we're just gonna start at the top and work our way down, okay? So number one on my list, I'm gonna show examples up above as well. Number one on my list is gonna be the ombre nail. And think about doing these in ombre colors that are very neutral shades, neutral and natural kind of shades. That's gonna be really hot. It can either be 2 shades ombre or multiple shades. We're seeing a lot of that this year too. I've been seeing that probably for the last couple of months. So really hot. And also for the girls out there who don't like long nails, who go with the short nails, you're gonna be in luck this year because it's your year. And the natural looking BIAB in pinks and nudes, short, just very natural looking nails, hot. Okay, now if you like color, tomato red is gonna be the shade of the year for your bright colors. If you want to incorporate color and maybe some cat eye or chromes, think about going plaid and argyle. We're seeing a lot of that this year, and it can be in any shade. Also your jelly nails, break out all of your jelly colors, okay? Because they're all hot right now. And especially jelly nails encapsulated. So even doing like a cat eye background, but kind of bubbly, like with encapsulation. You can put in your little glitters with the stars and the clouds and the moons, all those kinds of things. Pack it all in there. Really hot right now. Okay. Then we're gonna move on to we kind of touched on cat eye. Cat eye is huge. Anything that's gonna add that jelly look to it is gonna be on trend. Liquid chromes and molten golds. So break out all of your liquid chromes, your regular chromes even, because sometimes you kind of even can't tell between your liquid chromes and your regular chromes. Andy's kind of walking around in the background. We'll just kind of ignore her, okay? Those are all hot. Also, maple syrup nails. So this is gonna be like your maple syrup colors, your torty colors, all those things are gonna be great this year. So break those out as well. Get to practicing on some different kind of colors that you can mix together. If you're gonna mix colors, stick with those neutral shades, even if it's a little non-maple syrupy, okay? Polka dots are still in. So if you don't like the polka dot trend, I don't know what to tell you, because it's hot, especially the Bambi print, which I wasn't so much a fan of, but we're seeing it and we gotta figure out a way to work with it in case somebody wants that, right? Vertical lines, pinstriped or bold lines in any color. And you can even do, like I've seen where they do with the gel, just like a clear gel with the stripes on top of a plain one colored tone nail. If you're gonna do one color, think about keeping it in those neutral shades: browns, mushrooms, stones, leafy greens, okay? Mustard yellow, that's another hot one. Your oranges, don't forget about your oranges. Your navies, those are always, not always, some of them can be considered neutral shades, okay? Neutral tones. Also, for my natural looking nail girls and the French girls, the micro French is really hot, so do it in any color, especially bold colors or those neutral shades again. Those are gonna be hot. And think about doing it with a chrome. I think that would be beautiful. Also an ombre chrome, that will be something that we're gonna see a lot. Then you've probably already seen, because it's New Year's, and I know I have had, my feed has been full of it. It's that holographic silver nail. So I know we've seen them a lot with the square glitters in them. So they'll have like a layer of holographic silver glitter and then the little square holographic glitters kind of going all the way across the nail. Very hot this year. So if you want to do something a little bold, think about that. Again, if you like to encapsulate, think about that look and maybe ways that you can change it up. Maybe ways that you can do those neutral shades and some glitters to encapsulate. Or what was the other one? That jelly nail with the different glitters that are also holographic, okay? And if you have any other trends that you want to talk about or that you think are going to be hot this year, put them down in the comments because I would love to hear, and I can't wait to see what this year brings and if any of these trends change. And I'll kind of give you some extra photos here to think about for nail inspiration, and I will catch you very soon.